Hi everyone, welcome you all today to our live trading session. In this live class, I'll be guiding you on a few things and showing you how I'm going to be trading this week. Okay, most of all, I'll be trading is Forex, crypto, CFDs, stocks, commodities, synthetics. So it's left for you to make your choice. What exactly do you want to learn? Just make sure you learn it today. All right. So quickly, right where you are, I'd like you to begin to invite your contacts. Let them know that we're live and tell them that they can connect. There are a lot of people who want to learn how to trade, but it's been something that they've not been able to succeed at. Okay, knowing and understanding some of the challenges in trading. Okay, today I'm here to give them, comprehensive guide on how to succeed. Okay, you cannot watch any of the things I'm explaining to you in this live session and not win your entries this week or win your trades this week, because everything I'm going to be telling you are perfect guides, telling you what exactly to do with probably GU, okay, EU, okay, all of those major pairs which I trade, Bitcoin, Ethereum. And in the times past, if you look at all our previous videos, you agree with me that most of the market speculations which I bring up during the trading classes like this are usually very accurate. Okay, and they turn out to be exactly how I predict them. Now, not that we don't take stop loss, especially because of those of you who might be, wondering, does he just take all profits? I was talking with someone in the course of the week, and he was just, analyzing his take profits, and I just suddenly realized that I've never seen him talk about his losses. So I reached out to him and I was like, "So how far? What about your losses?" And he said something. He said, I don't take Excel. That's what he said first. That means I don't hit stop loss. So when he said that, I laughed, okay, because those of us that are professionally into this thing, we understand that there is no way, okay? It's only a newbie that thinks it's all rosy, 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 and you're going to keep on winning every entries. No, we who have been in this space and trade professionally every day understand that you must hit stop loss, okay? We understand that. So I said, no, it's not possible. You must hit stop loss one way or the other. And then he said, no, that he hasn't really taken stop loss, that what he actually, when I now told him that even in every business that you do, that there must be profits and there must be losses. That is the difference between the profit and the loss that gives you the income. Okay, so an income is what justifies profitability. Okay, the fact that you have profits in a particular entry does not make you profitable. Okay, because by the time you check the difference between that particular profit you're considering as profit with the losses you probably incurred when you had losses, you find that your profit is zero or sometimes even in a negative. So you must always in every business take out your profits, your losses from your profits before you can ascertain if you were truly profitable. So having explained that, he somehow understood, and then he said, I am not saying I don't take stop loss. I'm only saying that in this new year, I have not really hit stop loss. Okay. And he gave his reasons, of which he said there were some trades he had to exit. Okay. And to me, that looks like not allowing the setup play out as expected. All right. Okay. So you've been sending out the links. I've been sending out my links, and to an extent, I think a good number of my contacts has already got to at least up to 5,000 in my order number. And now, currently, in this particular number, I'm hitting and aiming for at least another 5,000. So by the time at least 10,000 people get this link, then we will be expecting at least 500 people from my end statistically. And if you do that, we'll be expecting at least, let's say, 500 from your end, and then we can have people, excuse me, who are actually participating in this live session. Of course, the live session will not be useful if they do not connect. Okay, so that's why it's important they do. It's only useful when they connect. It's only useful when they don't, connect. Because all I'm going to be showing you is what I already know, already done. Okay, and I'm trading with it already, and I've gotten some few entries already. And you will see in the markets move in the direction of all the prediction done so far. It's just but a few that didn't go as predicted. So quickly, I'm going to take you into the charts. Let's see how we can make today's class faster and quicker than the other classes. Sometimes the other classes runs in hours. Like we have 1 hour, a few minutes. So, but I think if we are very precise about the class and we are accurate with what we are talking about, I feel we're going to be faster. The only reason why I may be taking a little bit of time is because we are looking at a lot of things, okay? If you check the videos of some other mentors, you find that they may be teaching you only Forex, okay? Some may be teaching you maybe only CFDs, and some may be teaching you um, some may be teaching you CFDs, stocks, crypto. But we are teaching you all. Some may be just strictly synthetics. So I haven't looked at taking you through the whole process. Then we might be taking a little bit of time. And some even use 1 hour just on Forex. Okay, so but let's see how we can be fast and quick today. So straight up, hit it up on the link, go to the comment section right now. You see how to get a free $111 to trade this week with Headway. In case you don't have a Headway account, this is for you, okay? Just click on that link on the comment section, create a Headway. Remember that this particular live class is sponsored by Headway Broker. Okay, they are very reliable, they are the best, and we in KFC Trading, we are officially in partnership with them. Okay, every academy requires a good brokerage, okay, for the students, for the community, and Headway Broker is one which we highly recommend because of all the various products, okay, that they have, which is very, very helpful and friendly to someone who is a trader, a newbie, and needs quite some support. In fact, when you start up with Headway and you do not have capital, they give you capital. Look at the if you look at the message, it says get a free 111. So that's a capital. So you don't have an excuse why not to have how many brokerages you open an account gives you a free money to trade? I've not seen. I've not seen they give you demo. Okay, and Headway also gives demo. But demo is not withdrawable. And some people call it audio money. But this $111 is withdrawable. Though it's with condition. And some people say, oh, the condition is hard, it's difficult. But let me let you know something. It's additional money. How many brokers gave you that same money with conditions? As long as the money is given to you and you are going to be able to withdraw it, it doesn't matter the condition. It's added money. Okay? Because other brokers you use, you fund and trade. So if they said after you have traded the $111 that you may need to now fund and then some of the money is released to you, you should see it as added money and added advantage, not the other side where some people see it. Some are looking at it from the negative side. but that's not what it should be. All right, so quickly, I'm going to take you straight to the drawing board. So let's go straight to trading view, and let's quickly start up with, I think I will need to drop my volume. I need to drop my volume. All right, I've done that. So this is trading view, and this is what's actually currently playing out. Okay, so for those of you who got this entry, this was gold. Okay, so and gold is anticipated to fill up this void. Okay, so you didn't even get there yet, and it's looking like it's coming back to the entry point. Looks like it's coming back to the entry point, but for me, I see it still going bullish, so I'm still gonna hold. Okay, so I think GU is doing the same thing. For those of you who don't know, okay, GU is now responding. Beautiful. Okay, because like I said, GU is going to fill up all of these voids. So that's what we have been waiting for, and it's been dangling and playing around, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Its end is already clear. So that brings us straight to EU. I told you we're not going to go into EU immediately. I told you there's going to be a particular time when we'll be able to go into EU, and I think EU has already played out as expected. So it's giving a clear confirmation now. So let's just use the 5 minute time frame as result. Okay, so you can see what I mean. So EU is actually giving us like a confirmation that okay, yes, you can go up at least to this point. Okay, so for those of you who are ready for this entry, now this is an expo for you if you are on the what's it called, free channel, and you're not on the VIP channel, because this is actually a VIP signal. Okay, so you are opportune to get this. So EU by now, then I send all the various details. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your stop loss somewhere around here in case that doesn't point out before. So stop loss should be 4707. 4707, and then take profit should be 49.96. Take profit should be 49.96. Okay, so that's it. So I may be giving you more entries. The reason is because it's coming in when the live class is on. Okay, and some of these entries, especially for the ones that are buy now, if you don't go in immediately, you might miss it. Okay, it's not formal, it's just precaution. So that's it, by the way, for EU. So I'm sure my screen is up, but I've not yet checked the audio. I've not yet checked the audio to this video. I need to check the audio to be sure that I'm ahead. Okay. To be sure that I'm ahead. Okay. So I'm not the why this is breaking. To be sure that I'm ahead. Okay. So I'm not the why this is breaking. Okay, I think you can hear me. The video is already far gone. I don't know why it's breaking, so we cannot restart at this time. I wish I saw that earlier. I could have maybe probably restarted. Okay, so that's it. That's it on that. That's it on that. So quickly, let's go back to the drawing board. So I told you that even though this is a bank holiday right now, but I told you that if DXY goes bearish, which of course you saw what it did, DXY came into this liquidity zone and then went bearish as predicted. Okay. Now, but I did go immediately. Like those of you who were up, you notice that the bearish move started during the Asian session. I didn't go immediately because it was just around this path when I took my eyes off the chart. I needed this liquidity to be dealt with, which it was dealt with, and price did this. So I expected it to keep on going bearish, but no, it did this, and it's just doing, it's ranging, quite ranging, okay, for some time. And my eyes are just on DXY because for me to confirm the clear directional bias, DXY must maintain being bearish. If it starts going bullish at this time, then we may begin to look for the bearish move for EU and GU. But if it maintains bearish as expected and predicted, then we're gonna go. We're gonna maintain. Okay, because of this, there's a little liquidity here that was holding price. The price is gonna break out. So I see the XY breaking out on the downside, just as predicted. It's just only doing what I talked to you about, internal break of structure. For those of you who were able to have seen that video, congratulations. If you haven't seen the video, you may need to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that when there is a new video, you can always get the notification. Okay, that video is a must watch. It's a must watch. It's something everybody must be looking up to see because it's going to give you high winning. High winning. It's going to increase your probability, and it's going to give you higher probability in prediction. Okay, because you can easily spot reversals, and that's where the monies are in trading. So for those of you that are day traders, if you get a reversal correctly and you catch the move from one liquidity side to the next liquidity side, you are going to be making quite some money. Okay. So, but when you go in without, confirmed reversals, sometimes you are becoming the victim of either fake reversals or just any reversals. Okay. So if you notice, this first liquidity was tested. You've seen that, right? And then the second one. So this was not the first move. So this should be the move. Okay. Of which now this liquidity is taken out already. The IC price, going bearish to the downside. So what does that tell you? We're bullish in GU immediately. Though we're already in, okay. So we're holding massive, holding massive, okay, and we're to catch what are we catching here now? We're to catch at least 50 pips, 52 pips. Good RR, okay, because that's going to give us more than 1:2. So get ready for that, okay? Get ready for that. All right. So once prices get here, you start beginning to consider a lot of things because I see strong liquidity here. Consider a lot of things before holding to that upside. Because even at that point, I think we're going to have 1:4. Sorry, 40, okay, 35. It is just barely 1:2. That's 1:1 point. All right, so that's all on that part. Same thing plays out with EU. Of course, you've seen the EU entry already. Same thing's playing out. So that's the EU entry. So the next concentration now is going to be gold. Okay, so gold. We're in on gold already. I already told you that, and I still told you that I expect gold to come up here. In fact, I was thinking once it gets into this fair value gap, maybe we're gonna, watch out for what price is gonna do. It hasn't even gone close there yet, so we're still on gold, holding strong. Then the US Canada, so the US Canada has given us a good play out. How do we trade this? It's simple. We have the 1 hour time frame confirmation, and that's when we find a long candle closing the day. That's where we get our entry. Long candle closing the day. So this was the 1 hour long candle closing the day. Okay, so we didn't get 1 hour, so we got 24 hour. So we look at for two candles, either 1 hour or 24 hour. So we didn't get 1 hour, we got 24 hour. So if you look closely, you see that we got this first one. We got this first one. Okay, it was here to here. That's going to give us massive move. Okay, the second one was just from here to here. So that second one is a quick move for Monday, of which it has already done what we predicted. Just in case you missed out on that, let me just show you how we did that. So we marked the high and the low of that candle. We go down to 5 minutes time frame and wait for confirmation. And price played out as expected. So this was it. So you see the possible reversals. What I clearly taught you on that video played out. Okay, I taught you that in an internal break of structure or market structure, all you need is a break of structure, complete market structure shift or change of character, and then you find your POI. And that's what price did. So price took out this path, giving us a break of structure, and then after that, price took out this one, giving us a change of character or a complete market structure shift. And I haven't used your FIB to. I think this should be. Which of these is FIB 2 again? I think this should be FIB 2. I haven't used your FIB 2, picking it from the low. The low, let's say here is the low, okay, and taking it to the high. You will notice that the discount zone, which is the buying region, is just from here to here. And the moment price got into the discount zone, became a point of interest. And like you all know, we have the confirmation for point of interest, which we call the PDRA. Okay, PDRA. And these things are very simple. We have the first consideration, which I've always told you: fair value gap, FGP, fair value gap, FVG, and then we have the void. Okay, and then I told you we have the fair value gap, void. We have, I think, about 4 of them before we have order block. Order block. So those PDRAs are checked in their precepts, okay, in their arrangement, of which if you look at that particular entry, now I'm not talking to you on PDRA on this video, so in case you have wondered, I'm not giving you full details. You may need to make reference to our previous videos to get that full detail. But what I want to just show you now is that the fair value gap is the first consideration before the order block, and price got into the fair value gap and gave it a huge rejection. Now, one of the things that can help you is the rejection. So you watch, if price, when price going into the fair value gap, if it was not rejected and price kept deepening and going down, then it may just be, maybe price keeps getting induced. Then it may just be that that particular fair value gap will not be holding that price. Okay, so but when price is not being held by the fair value gap and it's reacts maybe on an order block, this is the order block. If price reacts on this order block, then that may just be the POI. POI means point of interest, okay? And the point of interest is where you consider to go in. So that was played out and went straight to take profit. Of course, the high of that close for the candle is the take profits, okay? The close, that's the beneath one, the opening for the bullish candle or the close for the bearish candle is the entry. The entry starting consideration point, not that you're entering from there. So you start considering. So this is where we started consideration. So from here, price came in, we started looking out for our confirmation, and we got it right here and went in to the next side. So there's going to be another one that will play out because the candles are two, if you remember. So this one is going to play out. Price is going to go from here to this point. So we're just waiting for price to give us what we want. I think currently it has taken out this. It has taken out this, and it has taken out this. So I think we may need to go in now. Yeah. 26, 23. I think we may need to go in now. So if you're in, congratulations, because we're going to catch this massive whooping several pips. I waited for the rejection. I have seen it already. Okay. I've seen the rejection already. So we're going long, massively long. So 30 minutes. So this can take a lot of time to see, but this will give you massive pips in the market. So this was the previous one, if you can remember when we took that. So this is the current one, okay? So expect price to play out like this. Expect prices to play out like this. So I don't know, 15 minutes time frame, are you going to give us clear picture? Because the pips are much, okay? 15 minutes time frame give us a clear picture. So this is it. If you're in USD Canada, if you're in, that's UC, right? UC. If you're in, then congratulations. If you're in, then congratulations. So for those of you on the free channel, congratulations, because you call that entry is actually for the VIP. So it has been posted on the VIP group. If you're not on the VIP group, it's a very simple thing. We have our VIP packages. In case you're wondering how, we have our VIP packages. It's a paid subscription. So you pay to become a part of the VIP channel. We have that on WhatsApp, we have that on Telegram. So whichever one you're interested in, but once you're on a VIP package, then you can get the signals on the VIP. Now, this is the advantage. For those of you on the free channel, there's free signals actually. But on the VIP, there are countless numbers of signals. So the free channel has fewer signals. The VIP channel has more signals. And that's what they are actually paying for. They're paying for the mentor to take out time to analyze the market, give more entries for them to make more money. So that's why you must be on the VIP if you're not yet there. All right, so we're done with. So let's quickly look at Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay, so because this is beautiful, this is very beautiful. I told you that Ethereum was going to go bearish, right? I told you it's coming from here to here, and I'm not really interested in selling Ethereum because this is the bullish movement. This is the bullish period. So if you're selling things like this, you are like counter trading. Okay, you're like counter trading because more of the money is on the selling, is on the buying side. And look at what price it just as predicted. It went from that liquidity point to this liquidity point. Let me take out the arrows so that we can proceed from there. And then when price go here, all we needed was this break of structure, change of character, and this boom. So unfortunately, my laptop was off as at then, so I was not up to show you that entry. So, but that's it. So if you're in, congratulations, and I want you to know that it's not time to close yet. That's one of the challenges I had when I was very young in trading. I'm not sure when to close my trades. Don't close yet. Here is where price is coming. That's one beautiful thing my strategy has done for me. It always tells me where to go, and it's never wrong. It's never wrong. So if you're in, keep holding, okay? Because what's coming is massive. What's coming is massive, okay? And where price is going is far. So hold that, hold that, hold that, hold that, hold that, hold that, hold that. So congratulations for all of you who are in already. Now deal with FOMO. Someone here was saying, "Oh, I wish I caught that." Don't worry, something's coming for you. Okay, if you saw UC, why are you worried? Because these pips, I don't think it's going to be up to what UC is going to play out. So if you are still on that part where you are worried, then you have FOMO. You have FOMO. And then if you are not taking the entries, even when you have your confirmation, psychological issue. Psychological issue. And then you are not trusting your entries yet. Because there's someone who spoke on that already. Clear entry, clear confirmation, he didn't take it. And then we spoke, and then he said, "I'm wondering why I didn't take it." Then I told him, next time when you see your setup play out, First, he said it was because it played out on a wrong session. So he's trading a London money and it's playing out during an Asian session. So he's wondering why he should take the trade. I said, see, next time, once you have your confirmation, it doesn't matter the session. What you should understand is that sessions move money. It doesn't matter the session. The only time I will not take an entry in a session that is not my session. Let's say I'm trading London session and I see a move during the Asian session. The only time I will not trade that Asian session is when I have not yet got to my entry confirmation. If once my entry confirmation is accurate and correct, then I'm going to trade that session. So I told him that because that's the right psychology. The wrong psychology tells you it's not your session, not going, you're going to be wrong. And this is the arrow that was drawn for BTC before it played out. If you look, you see that our predictions are very correct, 100% correct. So it played out as expected. It is now on the liquidity side. It's now on the liquidity side. So get ready to buy BTC because what we're going to wait for is for price to, let's just draw the lines so that we can remember. So we just want price to at least get to this level. We'll look for the retracement and boom. So let me give you the path. I call this path finder. Let me give you the path. So price is going to do this. Okay, so once it does that, it's just going to come to a POI and then boom, that should be your take profits. Like I said, take profit has been one difficult part I couldn't get correctly. When I was very young in trading, take profit was an issue. And most times I put a TP and price is not getting there. And I see some young mentees in my community, that is also their problem. I see them posting a lot of entries on the group and they are not hitting TPs. See, until you start hitting TP, you are not a profitable trader. I'm not sure someone has told you that before. I may have said it during the VIP class, maybe you were not in that class. Until you start hitting TP, you're not a profitable trader. You must hit stop loss and hit TP. Hit several stop losses, hit several TPs. The TPs mean more than the SLs is what makes you a profitable trader. But when you're not hitting TP, you're always closing out on break even, partial. You are dealing with algorithm. Your account will not increase. Your money will not increase. You will not make money. Okay. So that I'm just telling you with full guarantee. I'm telling you this out of my professional understanding. You will not make money. But you'll be deceived by the system. That's why you're dealing with AI. AI will make you feel like you're making progress. But you will just notice that that account is not growing. Okay? So until you do the right thing, the account will not grow. Mark that. And what is the right thing? The right thing is predict the market, put out your setup, and allow it to play out. That is the right thing. The algorithm will give you moves that will make you want to close. When you take your eyes off such moves, then you do the right thing. So this is AU. AU got triggered and induced. Got triggered and induced. So that was a failed entry. Triggered and induced. So it may still play out as predicted. It may still play out as predicted. And the next target should be here. The next target should be here. Next week, entry points should be, let's say, stop loss should be around here. This is A. So these are other VIP signals. So if you saw this, then congratulations. It's still gonna be just like what just played out. It's still gonna be like what just played out, but just a slight difference. I'm trying to get the TP. It's not coming out. Okay, because it's far. So this is going to be a massive move for AU. Massive move for AU. So if you get that, congratulations. If you get that, congratulations. Watch out for that. So this is another, what's it called? Another free, another VIP signal. I said free. of which if you are on the free channel, you just congratulations to you because you just got that. So let's go straight to the stocks. Let's start with Tesla. So the liquidity path has been spotted already for Tesla. And I'll really give you a part which Tesla is going to be taking this week. So as I said, Tesla will be doing this. Okay, so it's going to come like this. So I'm not going to be selling Tesla yet until it takes out this low for me. Okay, once it takes out this low, then I know that I'm going to be bearish. I'm massively bearish because I see Tesla coming to fill up this void. Okay, so that's it on Tesla. So eyes are on Tesla. Then let's go straight to US oil. So this is what I showed you on US oil, and I think it's playing out already. So sell US oil if you're ready. Sell US oil. So we can't see the down part yet because of the time frame. So let's go to 24 hours time frame. So you can sell US oil. It's actually started from here, but you can actually still go down. Yeah, you can go in now because it's not too late to go in with this entry. This is a higher time frame entry. Be careful with your stop loss. So your stop loss should just be around here. The take profit should be on the liquidity, the next liquidity side. This should be it. Okay. It's not a far move. It's not several pips. It's just a few pips. Okay. So let's go down to 2 hour time frame. So I can now post the entry for you to see on the VIP group. So if you're on the free channel, congratulations again. You just got this. For those of you on the VIP, I'm posting it right now. So that's US oil. US oil. US oil. Okay. Then let's go straight to the next one. Nasdaq. Let's use Nasdaq because Nasdaq 130 are like brothers. So Nasdaq, I expected it to do a retracement, but it didn't. It's currently moving, and I think it's going to the next liquidity side on the upside, of which okay, it has done that already. It's not a good place to buy Nasdaq right now. We'll wait for it to retrace before you buy. And Nasdaq with US 100 are like twin brothers. So if you cannot buy Nasdaq now, then you cannot buy US 100 now. Okay. The US 30, same thing. Okay. You can buy US 30. So this was the entry I posted during the weekly analysis. So sorry, pardon me, I didn't post on the group. US 30 has a confirmation. So we're buying now. Okay. You can actually still go in. It's not late. This is a higher time frame entry. US 30. US 30. You can go in. It's not late. US 30. So which other one now? So I think we are done with the stocks, commodities, and CFDs. So we need to just finish the Forex now. So we have EG. So EG, no entry yet. We want it to finish this induced move. Okay, so we can now give a new prediction. Then we have GJ. So I already told you GJ was going to do this. I think it's doing it already. Serious void on the downside. So yeah, it's doing it already. So if you're in for GJ, then you can sell GJ. If you're in for GJ, you can sell GJ. So sell and go long. Okay, so you're going long all the way down to this point for GJ. Okay. Sell and go long for GJ. Sell and go long. Okay. So then for what's the next one now? For UJ. So you can see UJ. UJ hasn't given us our confirmation yet, but we're going to buy UJ once we get the confirmation, as the arrow is already pointing. So I drew a lot of arrows in this past weekly analysis, and I hope it helps. So EJ is already playing out as predicted. I told you it's either going to go upside or downside. So it's currently on the downside. So and there's an entry on EJ, and it says sell. So sell EJ. sell EJ. So EJ is going to the next liquidity side. These are several entries for anybody who wants to make money this week. You cannot say you cannot make money this week. All of these are beautiful entries. All of these are beautiful entries. So catch it and enjoy. Okay, so that will be all on Forex, CFDs, stocks, and crypto. Let's see what the Trump USDT is doing. Let's see what the Trump USDT is doing. Okay, so we are still holding. Let's see what Melania is doing. Melania is still holding. Then let's go straight to the synthetics. So I'm going to change my screen, and also would love to see what is on the new screen. I would love to see what's on the new screen so that I'll be sure that you are seeing what I'm showing you. Okay, so on the new screen, we have the synthetics. So quickly, let me look at the feedback and be sure. Okay, so I'm on the feedback. I want to be sure what you're seeing, because I don't know what happened in the last times repeating itself again, where I'm speaking to you on a particular thing and you're not seeing what I was talking about. Okay, so I'm on the synthetic screen. I don't think you can see the synthetic screen, because from my feedback I'm seeing blackout. This has always been the danger. So let me share it again. I just wanted to be sure what you're seeing. Okay, so let's go again. Okay, I've just shared it again. I just hope it's not a blackout again. I'm wondering why these things keep happening. Why will it be blackout? Hold on, please. It's coming. Screen is correctly shared. Network is okay. Why will it be blacked out? I'm really surprised about that. All right, so screen is up now on synthetic. So quickly, let's round up and close this class quickly with the synthetic. So we have volatility 25 first on the list. Every liquidity has been spotted out. So I told you we're going to wait for the retracement and we'll go boom. So the retracement did not quite play out as the way we wanted it. But it's currently up now. It's currently up. So this is the entry for volatility 25. Volatility 25, yeah. And it's a long. It's a long. So let's see. It's a long. Let's see. That's for volatility 25. So it's expected to play out this long. And let's go to 30 minutes time frame because I want us to see the take profit zone. Okay, so this is the take profit zone. This is the take profit zone. So the volatility 25 entry is for both the free channel and the VIP channel. So I just posted on the VIP channel and I'm sharing it also on the free channel. So that's the entry for the volatility 25. So the next one we're going to be looking at is volatility 50. Okay, so volatility 50 has filled up the void. It's reacted here, and this is the entry already. Volatility 50 is going bullish. Okay, so just up to this, let's see, at least here. Volatility 50. And then let's go straight to volatility 75. Okay, so this is volatility 75. Let's see. Okay, no direction of it yet. Oh, it's went bearish from here to here, so we need a breakout before we get able to tell the trend. I think that's an uptrend, so we're just going to find more confirmations to go in. So this is volatility on, we're currently on a liquidity side, so it has broken out this range. Broken out, but there needs to be a fuller breakout before we are sure if it's going to be going bullish. If not, anything is possible at that point. It may just retrace there, so it's a bad place to buy. Based on my strategy, actually, your strategy might be otherwise. Whatever you see in your strategy, please do. So this is boom 500, massive bullish move. So we're going to wait for the bearish retracement. So what we're doing now is A setups on B on boom 500, A setups on crash 500. So these are massive synthetics for flipping because their setups are very good and very accurate. So this is crash already. This is crash already, and I think we're going in bearish from here. Going in bearish from here to this point. So we have a lot of entries today. Now, don't be thinking it's always like that. We've not caught any entry in crash in a very long time. Look at the history. Look at the history. In a very long time. So if you see that crash is coming in today, then you should know it's good news. Okay, so look at it. We've not traded crash. And look at the last crash entry. I told you that there are A setups. Let's see the last. You can see how far it is before the. Okay, you can see this was an A setup, but it got reduced. So something was wrong. I think our confirmation was wrong. And you can see them. You can see them. They are very far apart. Very far apart. We're not just taking. Just there was a time we just take. But now there are certain things we look at before we take. So this is jump 25. Jump 25. So for jump 25, let's see. It has been massively bullish. So let's wait to see if there's a bullish confirmation there. Then we have jump 50. Jump 50. I think there's a bearish confirmation here. Yeah, there's a bearish confirmation here. So jump 50 is just going to complete this bearish move. It's not going far. So just complete it. Okay. After which, um, I'm expecting to see a massive bullish move. And then jump 75. So this was the arrow part that was drawn for jump 75. I told you it was going to come here, give us the confirmation before we go. So I think it has broken the structure. It's yet to change the character. So, but this is liquidity swipe. So for a liquidity swipe, I think I can go bullish. Okay, so all I need is this. All I need is this. I just need this. Okay. So this is jump 75. Wow. So lots of entries today. So some weeks are like that. Some weeks are like that. So this is the week to bag money. If you're ready. And then finally, the last but not the least, playing out as predicted. Might not take this because it's already late. So when we're supposed to take it was here. It was here. So let price get here before we know where price is really going with that particular entry. So have you learned something? Have you learned something? Come to the comment section and let me know what you've learned from this video. Just drop it in the comment section. Let me know your view about what price has done in different times. Okay, let me know your view. Okay, so EU where they hit stop loss. Wow, EU went to hit stop loss. EU went to hit stop loss. It's going bullish, so that's actually inducement. Don't go in again. If you go in again, you're over trading. Okay, so this is a loss for us for EU. We cannot win every entry. Okay, so we're gonna get another one where the recovery of this will come. So watch out for that. So okay, the screen was not on. The screen was not on, but the screen is still on synthetic. So that's by the way. The final thing I would love to talk to you on is the headway broker, our partners, headway broker. I would like to talk to you about that briefly because they're the ones we're partnering with currently. So I'm sharing the screen so you can just see an overview of their website. Okay, so this is the headway website. I just want to use the feedback to be sure that you're seeing the screen already. I just want to be sure that you're seeing the screen already. So just a few seconds to confirm from the feedback. I don't want to be talking to you and then you're not seeing what I'm saying. So it's not really nice. Okay, so from the feedback, I can see that you're seeing the screen. So this is the Headway Broker dashboard. And this is a very user-friendly dashboard because everything you need to understand on this dashboard is very explicit from my experience. It's very explicit. And that's part of the reasons why we in KFC Trading decided that we're going to partner big time with Headway. Okay, so of course, those of you who have been with us in the past will understand that we were using Xness at one point. So, but all of a sudden we're choosing Headway. Why are we choosing Headway? Because you see, every academy requires a brokerage to collaborate with. Yes, we've been using Xness because of their beautiful and seamless platform. But we were not in direct partnership with Xness. On many occasions, I've sent mails to Xness, I've even chatted them, and they didn't give us quite any response. And I don't blame them because they are fully grown to at least to a reasonable extent. Headway is a growing broker, and I'm amazed at their top-notch, robust system in their growing days. Some of these brokerages you're seeing never had this kind of robust system in their growing days. It just shows how far Headway is going, and we want to be a part of such success story. And that's why we said, okay, fine, we're going to be partnering with these people. So I haven't done a lot of researches, and we say, okay, fine, let's see what we can do with this brokerage, at least for now. At least for now. So this is an account that has been verified, as you can see, and you can see all of the products on the activities side. Okay, so we have the snake contest. I think this account is enrolled for this snake contest and has made a whooping $13,000. So yeah, that's made 10% of the profit. So the position is 598. So this is the Lunar New Year competition. Okay, so we had just one day. It's going to be ending tomorrow. Next tomorrow, actually. 1 day and 21 hours. So it will be ending next tomorrow. So congratulations to all the winners. And then we have the dashboard I already showed you. On the dashboard, you see how to create your account. There's wallets. We have the internet transfer area. Then we have the bonus account. The bonus account. Then there's a course there. Okay, if you want to take the course. And then we have the gift shop. The gift shop. We have copy trade. Okay. We have copy trade. You can copy the trade of other traders. And what they are doing is what you are doing. And you too can also put your own strategy online for people to copy. And then we have this is still copy trade. We have the gifts, the trading gifts, the gift shop. So in this gift shop, you have to select whatever you want as a gift and you start trading. Fund your account and start trading. So there's going to be a progression based on how you are trading. And that progression brings you closer to this point. And once you get to this point, like these accounts already have 2 points. By the time it gets these 2 points, maybe like 2 times 10 gives you 20, right? 10 times. Then this t-shirt will be given to this account from Headway. Isn't that beautiful? How many brokers are you trading that gives you a gift for trading with them? So this is Nova. Nova is a new innovation by Headway, a digitalized platform where you can invest in real estate. Invest in real estate through Headway. Okay. So it's a beautiful thing to explore. So it's digital real estate investment side. And then we have, I think those are all the products for now. Those are all the products for now. So we have the partner area. So all you need to do is you join the IB program, and once you're on the IB program, you share your referral link with your clients, and as you share your referral link with them, they get registered. They use your whilst they are trading. Headway is giving you a commission for referring them to Headway. So I think that's basically everything on Headway. Okay. So like I said, on the comment section of this video, the links are there. The link is there. So click on that link and get registered. For those of you wondering, okay, which prop firm do we recommend? We recommend TradeX Mastery. TradeX Mastery. Let me put the link. That's the current prop firm we're using in this academy, and we recommend it for all our students. TradeX Mastery. Okay, and they allow news trading. Okay, just make sure you maintain the consistency rules. So the link is there, just in case it came late. Now, when I end this live video, which I'm going to be doing now, the links may not be there on the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post them again on the video that is now finally posted by YouTube for this live session. Have you learned anything? Like I said, come to the comment section and just comment what you learned in this particular live class. Or if you have a topic you would like us to look into our address, then come also to the comment section, and write that topic so that in our next session we can maybe digress into that direction and speak on it. I want everybody to be carried along. I'm rooting for you to succeed. I want you to win in this space. This is 2025. If you're not yet making money, then I wonder what you want to do in 2025. Okay? We've been saying it, 2024, it ended. 2023, it ended. 2022, it ended. When did we start this journey? 2021, the academy. Okay? So this is 2025. 4 years after we started the academy. What's your plan? What's your plan? I want you to succeed. Make sure you succeed. See you during the what's next now? Of course, we have the physical live camp holding in Abuja. So it's starting 1st of March. Make sure you register for that. It's just 50,000 naira. And then that of Lagos will start on the 1st of July. And make sure you register and make sure you're part of that. Okay, so and to hold pari passu after the first one. And after that of Lagos kicks off in July, we're going to start that of Zambia and Zimbabwe in August. Okay, 2025. Zimbabwe and Zambia. So watch out for that. Okay, watch out for that. So the next time I'm going to be with you is during the weekly review. So until then, keep winning. Make sure you are active on the channels because I'm there. I'm active anytime. I will surprise you. Sometimes you may think I am asleep, but no, I'm a Forex, crypto, CFDs, synthetic stocks traders. Sorry. And so I'm awake, up and active always. So you see me on the channel, okay? Free channel, VIP channel. And then also, apart from the channel, you see me during the weekly review session. See you during the next weekly review session. Have a great week. Make sure you win this week.